Okay, so we were continuing with the ledger accounts. So we have seen the transaction, then we have done the journal entries. I have explained you the ledger of cash account. Now we will do 3 more ledger accounts. Next is furniture account. Now first we have to see in which journal entry furniture account is there. So here furniture is only on the third entry, that is 4th January 2006. Furniture account debited to cash account. Now as I have already told, the ledger account which you were preparing, you cannot write it inside again. So now we are preparing the ledger account of furniture. So we cannot write furniture inside again. So which account is left? Cash account. And in journal, cash is on credit. So in ledger, it will be on the debit side to cash account. And in nowhere furniture is there. So we will record only this transaction. Now, same way, the amount we will write 2000. Now, same way, you have to balance both the side. Now, debit side, we have an amount 2000, but credit side, we don't have anything. And so I have already told the account, the side which is having a more total or higher total, we will write it on both the side. So here only 2000 is on the debit side. So we will write 2000 on debit, 2000 on credit. Now debit side is correct, 2000. But credit side we didn't have anything, but we have written 2000. So we have to balance this side. So the balancing figure will be of the last date of the month, that is 31st January 2006. We will write by balance CD, by balance carried down. This 2000. Now both the sides are same. Again, the closing balance of January will be the opening balance of the next month, which is February. So we'll write here 2 balance brought down, 2000. Since it's on the debit side, so write 2 balance brought down, 2000. Same way, the bank account. Here we have to say in which journal entries bank account is there. Here bank is on the 2nd, that is 2nd January. Then bank is on the 4th, that is 10th January 2006. So we're preparing the bank account, so we cannot write inside bank again. So we have to consider only these 2 transactions, that is 2nd January and the 10th January. We'll start with the first one. So we're preparing bank account, we cannot write bank inside. So from the 2nd January, which account is left? Cash account. Here cash is on credit, that is in journal, cash is on credit. So in ledger, cash will be on debit. 2nd January to cash account. Then next, 10th January, cash account debited to bank account. Here, bank account, we cannot write bank inside. So which account is left? Cash account. So in journal, cash is on debit. So in ledger, cash will be on the credit side by cash account 1000. Now same way, we will total both the side. This was 5000 and this one is 1000. So debit side is having a higher total. So we will write this total on both the side. 5000, 5000. Now this side is correct. This side we have to balance. So we'll write the last date of the month by balance CD. And it will be the 5000 minus the total of the credit side, that is 1000. So balancing figure will be 4000. So closing balance of January will be the opening balance of February, that is 1st February 2006. To balance BD 4000. Next, salary account. We have to say in which journal entry salary is there. So here salary is only on the last transaction, that is salary account debited to cash account. We're preparing the ledger of salary, so we cannot write salary again. So which account is left? Cash account. In journal, cash is on credit. So in ledger, it will be on the debit side, that is to cash account. 500. Credit side, we don't have anything. Same way, we will total it. 500, 500. Credit side, we have to balance it. Last date of the month, that is 31st January 2006, by balance CD, and we have written 500. Closing balance of January will be the opening balance of February, that is 1st January 2006. It will be to balance BD, 500. So now I have shown you out of the 6 account, I have shown you 4, that is cash account, then bank account, then furniture account, and salary account. And you have to prepare the other 2 accounts. The other 2 account will be capital account and the office expense account. The 2 account you have to try it. Okay. Hope I am understandable to you all. Okay. Thank you.